Hi, we are back with another amazing appetizer. We will make liver meatloaf with eggs. For this recipe we use white onions, duck fat, salt, thyme, chicken liver, but you can use pork too, ground pepper, rice and eggs. We start by carefully cleaning the liver. We don't want any fat pieces or connecting tissues on them. We clean and dice a white onion. In a pot on medium heat filled with water, we add the eggs, gently without breaking them. We cook them for at least 8 minutes to be fully cooked. We cook some rice too until they are soft. In a pan on medium heat we add the duck fat and we sear the diced onions. When the onions get translucent we add the liver. We mix it well and we season with salt and ground pepper. We let them cook until we get rid of the moisture. It takes roughly 5 minutes. We clean the eggs that we cooked and we dice one of them. We add the cooked liver in a bowl, followed by the rice and the diced egg. We season with salt, ground pepper and thyme, and we add the whole egg on top. We mix it well together. This is the consistency we want. We cover our tray with baking paper and we add roughly 1/3 of the mixture. And we add the eggs on top in a row. We cover them with the rest of our mixture. We preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit and we bake it roughly for 50 minutes. When done, we take it out of the tray and we slice it up. This is how it looks like. It is a delicious appetizer packed with essential nutrients. We love it. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you next time.